In recent years, quantum computing has become a rapidly growing industry with great investment potential for growth. In order to adequately assess the quantum computing industry, investors should focus on a few key players. The architects, which are the companies that develop physical quantum computers. As pioneers, they are likely to experience the earliest and most significant growth in stock value as the demand for quantum computing rises in the years to follow. Another aspect of this involves the integrators. They are more concerned about the infrastructure needed to support quantum computing, such as software, middleware, and hardware solutions. They bridge the gap between quantum machines and practical applications. It is expected that their growth will likely go up as quantum technology begins to gain more attention and investors. Lastly, the facilitators. Facilitators in quantum computing serve as service providers, offering access to quantum computing through cloud platforms. They are more focused on making quantum resources widely available without requiring organizations to invest in their hardware. They're expected to experience the longest sustained growth in the quantum computing industry. With that understanding, in this video, we will uncover 7 quantum stocks that stand out due to their strong fundamentals, unique use cases, and growing adoption of quantum computing. Before we dive in, please support our channel by clicking the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more valuable content. Number 1. D-Wave Quantum, ticker QBTS. D-Wave is one of the top quantum stocks available in the market at the moment. They're widely recognized as one of the pioneers in commercial quantum computing, and they also became the first company to sell quantum computer as far as 2011. And ever since then, the company has been able to expand its cloud service and commercial partnerships. As of January 7, 2025, D-Wave has increased by approximately 833.5% over the last 3 months. As for their financials, it shows a speculative stock where the profit margin is negative, then the debt-to-asset ratio has been increasing. For D-Wave, the increase in their debt-to-assets ratio could suggest a need for careful financial management. Aside from that, the company has beaten earnings per share (EPS) estimates in 4 out of the last 5 quarters. For ratings, analysts currently rate D-Wave as a strong buy. However, from the records in their 12-month forecast, it predicts a percentage downside, which reflects concerns relating to most startups with limited performance history. Considering this, most investors will be scared of buying stocks from startups like D-Wave. Their current valuation is driven more by future potential than present fundamentals. Although it might be surprising that positive news such as breakthroughs or partnerships can cause a sudden rise in their stock prices, even if their financial fundamentals may remain weak. So, anyone planning on buying this stock must be able to balance the enthusiasm with a realistic understanding of the time required for the company to align its financials with its valuation. Considering that, patience will play a key role. Number 2. IonQ, ticker IonQ. IonQ specializes in developing general-purpose trapped ion quantum computing, which utilizes ions confined and manipulated with electromagnetic fields. Trapped ion systems are known for their high-fidelity quantum gates and scalability potential, making IonQ a prominent player in the quantum computing industry and possibly one of the big names in the industry. IonQ Fort, which they created for data center environments and solving complex computational problems, has increased the performance of the company. As of January 7, 2025, IonQ's stock has increased by approximately 445% in the last 3 months, reflecting strong market momentum. As for their financials, the revenue generation is in its early stages. There's a high beta of 4.16, which indicates significant volatility, something that is usually common for most high-growth startups. As for their debt-to-asset ratio, it's on the increase, while the earnings per share, on the other hand, has missed expectations in 3 of the first 5 quarters. Analysts rate IonQ as a strong buy. However, their 12-month forecast still predicts a 39% downside. This draws great concerns over their current valuation and their performance. Well, IonQ also does not currently have fundamentals that justify its valuation. The long-term success depends on its ability to align technological breakthroughs with improved financial performance. Investors planning to buy the stock must weigh the risks of speculative push against the company's promising position. Although the fundamentals don't support the current price, if a ton of people choose to buy the stock, it's going to cause it to skyrocket regardless of the current fundamentals. Number 3, Rigetti Computing, ticker RGTI. Rigetti Computing specializes in developing quantum integrated circuits and superconducting quantum processors. Rigetti also offers cloud-based access to its quantum computers through its platform Forest, which enables developers to create and test quantum algorithms. As of January 7, 2025, the stock has increased by approximately 2,238% in the last 3 months. But their revenue and margins seem like it's beginning to generate revenue while burning through cash. Interestingly, their debt-to-asset ratio has successfully dropped over the past 2 years, which is a positive sign. However, Rigetti has also missed 3 out of the last 5 quarterly forecasts. On the part of analysts, they project a negative 67% downside over the next 12 months. Despite all these challenges, it's rated as a strong buy. This is more like an indication of the market's high expectation for future growth. Number 4, Quantum Computing, ticker QUBT. This core innovation is designed to focus more on addressing both binary and integer-based optimization problems. A key feature of their products is their ability to operate at room temperature with low power requirements. These improvements have been able to eliminate the need for expensive and specialized environmental conditions often required for quantum systems to function properly. Recently, QUBT gained so much attention that they had a major contract secured with NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. This partnership involves providing imaging and data processing support, showcasing the company's growing reputation. As for QUBT's growth, it has increased by approximately 2,240% in the last 3 months. Regarding their financials, the revenue remains almost non-existent, highlighting that the company is still in the early stages, just like other new companies. Additionally, over the past 3 years, they've been able to significantly improve their debt-to-asset ratio to near zero. One significant aspect of QUBT is the fact that they've been able to exceed expectations in several recent quarters. Analysts, on the other hand, project a potential downside of approximately 50% over the next 12 months. Number 5, Nvidia, ticker NVDA. Nvidia has been able to position itself as a major integrator in the quantum computing industry by being able to develop several platforms and tools that bridge the gap between quantum and classical computing. There's no doubt that Nvidia is helping to push the boundaries of both technologies. One of Nvidia's outstanding platforms is the CUDA-Q platform, which is an open-source quantum development platform. This tool helps to run large-scale hybrid quantum classical applications. Aside from that, it also enables computations to occur across GPUs, CPUs, and quantum processing units within a single quantum program. There's no doubt that this seamless integration between classical and quantum resources makes hybrid computing more practical and accessible. Big thanks to Nvidia. One significant aspect of Nvidia is its strategic partnerships. They've been able to form strong partnerships with other quantum companies like IonQ and Rigetti Computing, as well as Amazon Web Services or AWS. These collaborations are significant in driving advancements in both quantum computing and the overall tech industry. The company's deep involvement in multiple technologies makes them a key player in the hybrid computing space, possibly a good quantum stock to consider buying. Nvidia's stock has risen approximately 186% in the past year, and in the coming months, analysts are forecasting an upside of 35%. Their financials are quite strong. Aside from that, their innovation and market leadership are also impressive. Nvidia is no doubt an easy choice for a long-term investment. Number 6, Alphabet, ticker GOOGL. Commonly known to most people as Google, Alphabet acts as a true facilitator in the quantum computing space. Recently, they've been able to generate so much attention due to their Willow quantum chip. They made a significant breakthrough in the development of quantum computing, especially in addressing one of the major hurdles, which is high error rates. Alphabet's method has reduced these error rates, making quantum computing far more practical and reliable than ever. Beyond just creating the quantum chips, Google is positioning itself as a leader in quantum computing facilitation. They're pushing towards this by offering access to quantum models through their Google Cloud services. This will allow other companies to harness quantum computing capabilities without building their own systems. Alphabet's stock price has increased by approximately 43% in the last year. Alphabet's financial health is quite solid, with very strong cash flow margins and good earnings per share. As for their debt-to-assets ratio, it's 29%, which is quite low. Analysts have also predicted a 9% upside. Investing in quantum computing through Alphabet wouldn't be a bad idea. In fact, this would be one of the most promising quantum stocks to get, especially since they are all pushing into AI with Gemini and quantum computing. Number 7. Amazon, ticker AMZN. Amazon is no doubt a prominent quantum facilitator, with quantum computing services through Amazon Bracket, which provide companies and researchers access to various quantum hardware setups. Aside from this, they're successfully making moves in the hardware space, collaborating with Caltech to design hybrid quantum computers that combine quantum and conventional computing systems. Amazon's stock price has increased by approximately 58% in the last year, which is quite impressive. While their revenue is quite strong, their margin has been quite low, although there have been gradual improvements. Their assets are usually very impressive, exceeding $527 billion, far more than any other company today. Analysts currently rate Amazon as a strong buy with an expected upside of over 8% in the next 12 months. While there is volatility due to the high expectations, investing in quantum computing through Amazon won't be a bad idea, as their long-term vision and scaling ability make them one of the best top quantum stocks to buy. Remember, the stock market is unpredictable, so always do your own research or consult a financial advisor before investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more market insights. Thanks for watching.